Hello everyone, let's solve this question. Look at this. There is a flower bracket or curly braces are there. Inside we can see small brackets as well as square brackets. Which one we have to simplify is we need to solve small brackets first. We have to go with the order only. So after solving this small bracket, we have to simplify the square bracket. That is equal to bracket of and then bracket. Simplify the exponent here. 6 square, which is 36, divided by 4 minus, simplifying 3 square will give 9 times 8 to the power of 0 is 1. As per the exponent rule, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. This is my exponent rule. So using that, this value is 1. Close the bracket and put a square on that. Plus 10 square minus, keep a square bracket, 5 times of 3 square plus 100 divided by 25, bracket of square, and then close the brackets. So here floor bracket of, inside the bracket the division operation came first. So 36 divided by 4. So when I divide 36 with 4, I'll get 9. 4 times 9 is 36 minus 9 times 1 is 9, bracket of square plus, write the remaining as it is, 10 square minus bracket 5 into 3 square plus 100 divided by 25, close the bracket, square and square bracket and close the bracket. Here open the bracket. On simplifying 9 minus 9, 0. 0 to the power of 2 is always 0. Plus 10 square minus, write the remaining as it is, 5 into 3 square plus of 100 divided by 25 whole square and the brackets. So this part is over. Now we need to simplify the square bracket. Here 10 square minus square bracket of, inside the square bracket you need to simplify small brackets again, these two brackets. Okay, so here 5 into 3 square plus 100 divided by 25 is 4, whole raised to the power of 2, close the brackets, open bracket, 10 square minus bracket of 5 into 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, close the brackets, open bracket again, 10 square minus bracket of, multiply that, this is the multiplication operation, 5 times 9 is 45 plus 16, close the bracket and close the bracket and open bracket, 10 square minus 45 plus 16 is 61, close the bracket. Now inside the flower bracket we can see 10 square minus 61. Here I am doing open bracket of 100 minus 61. So 100 minus 61 is 39. This is our final answer. Thanks for watching.